All right, quick view here. Just to the inking, this went very, very quickly, of the third child to die in the Nazi Luftwaffe Air Force bombing of a town and school in Spain on November 2nd, 1937, where I think 48 children were murdered by the Nazis in collaboration with the Fascists of Spain, led by Franco, Generalissimo Franco. All right, so there's the ink I was using and the pen. I'll move this off here. So there's Miguel Hernandez, the first child I drew, the second one there, and Gerda Taro there. Gerda Taro there. All right, to be continued. Next I'll be doing a pencil gestural pencil outlines, shapes of some allegorical sea monsters, which will then get worked up with ink and gouache and so on. All right, to be continued. Let me see if I can get this up here like this, because I'm framing it for vertical installation and exhibits, also for vertical showing in my website. All right, there you have it. And now, victims of the fascists and Nazis. And just a war victim, Gerda Taro, first woman photojournalist who did war subject.